Hello everyone, welcome to NyiZaw Tech. Today I'll show you how to set custom duration and control who can see them. For your notes on Facebook and Messenger, there are two categories. One, set a custom duration for your note. Two, who can see your note. Okay, let's see how to set a custom duration. Open your Facebook app or Messenger app in your mobile device. Tap on Note section at the top of your profile. Type your message here. Before posting, tap on the change. Choose your preferred time, 3 hours, 6, 12, and 24. Now tap on Save. After that, tap on Share. Now who can see your note? Before posting, you can choose Public, everyone can see, Friends, only your friends on Facebook, Custom, select specific people. Now you know how to set duration for your notes and choose who can see them. That's all, my friend. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more Facebook and Messenger tips. Thank you for watching.